Welcome everybody, Kelly here from KB Auto Tech and Adventure. Today we're at the shop. I got my 2020 Toyota Tacoma and we're going to do 2 easy accessories for the vehicle. So let's get at it. And here we go. The very first thing I have for you is some WeatherTech vent visors. So let's quickly open the boxes, see what's in there, and get going on the install. Of course, everything you need comes in the packages. There's the clips, the tools, the instructions, and of course they were packaged quite well. I went through, made sure that there was no scratches and everything looked good. So here we go. It doesn't really matter where you start, but me, I'm on my passenger rear side. We're going to need to install 2 channel clips to help hold in the visor. Approximately 3 to 4 inches from the front and back, we're going to need to use the tool to pull down the weather strip to install the channel clip. Using the provided tool, pull down the weather strip and install the clip flat portion to the top and the curved portion to the front outer side. If you're having trouble getting the clip seated properly, you can use the end of the tool to put it inside the clip and push up and get it installed. And in case you missed it, I'll just quickly show you that one more time. Now let's quickly install the visor. Slip it into the channel, and what we're going to need to do is place the visor over top of the clip, almost so as if the clip is pushing it outwards. That way it'll help retain the plastic and hold it in place. Double check that you have it in the right position, and as long as you do, we can go ahead and we can firmly push the visor to the top. But be careful, it is brittle, you don't want to break it. From here, we can roll the window up and down a few times to make sure that it's clearing and there's no binding. If there is, try repositioning the visor. And there you have it, very clean and simple install. Off to the front visor. This is quite simple. Just simply place the visor into the channel and bend and curve it into the back portion. From there, you'll need to tuck the top in, and of course, take your time, be careful, we don't want to break it, but it is flexible, but it may break if you're not careful or overly rough. Same as the rear, we're going to make sure that it's firmly placed into position. From there, we can test the window and make sure that there's same thing, no binding, and everything is moving freely and properly. The second thing I have for you is a nice set of floor liners. I'm using the WeatherTech ones today. Some people like the Husky liners, and that's totally fine too. Not really much to say or show for the install. I mean, it is what it is. Grab the mat, pull it out, get your new one, and fit it into place. I'm a big fan of these fitted floor mats. I'd never go back to stock ever again. They just look so nice and basically do their job well. And same for the rear. Pull out your old mat, grab the one-piece liner for the rear and fit it into place. If the edges are curled a little bit from being in the box, just uncurl them by hand and they stay perfectly good into position. And there you have it, 2 simple and great accessories you can do for your Toyota Tacoma. So consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. We have a lot more Toyota content coming up. Feel free to browse my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.